flood came up way up over here. That's the Dam Shopping Center right there, which is still blacked out, still hasn't recovered.
Anyway, not gonna be able to get to work today.